Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. It is Mother's Day. I just want to say happy Mother's Day to all of the super hardworking moms out there. You guys are doing amazing. Just know that I'm always sending you guys my positive vibes because it is rough out here, guys. Like, I know how hard it is. So yeah, I just always have you guys in mind. You guys know who you are. And yeah, I just want to say happy Mother's Day to all the awesome moms out there. I am currently on my lunch break. Work is insane right now. So yeah, let's go see what Leo's doing. Guys, Leo just woke up. Leo, say hi to the people. Say hi. He has no idea what's going on. He's still half asleep. But I'm gonna make him some breakfast. We're here watching Megamind. And yeah. Leo, what do you want to eat? You want pancakes? You want waffles? Hello? I came to lay down on the couch for a little bit, and Leo decides to come and lay on top of me. Yeah, Leo. Guys, I think I am the worst vlogger in the history of vlogging. So I had this all planned out. I was like, oh, I'm gonna do like a Mother's Day vlog or whatever. And then sorry guys, Leo thought it would be fun to take my tripod. But yeah, like I was saying, I had this all planned out to like do a Mother's Day vlog. So yeah, it started off like good, right? And then yeah, towards the end, we got to my suegra's house and I was like, wait, we were like an hour into like being there. And I was like, fuck, I forgot that I'm vlogging. So by that time we were like already done eating and like everything, you know? So after that I mean, obviously we can't really do much. So we were just there like in the living room, just chilling. Usually when we're there, we go outside and like jump on a trampoline or like play or whatever. But because it was raining, we couldn't do that. So we were just like inside. Leo was being a grouch. He took a nap really late today. So he woke up like around 6-ish, like almost 6:30. And when he woke up, he was just being so grumpy. Like, all he wanted to do was be like stuck by my side. He was like this. He wouldn't leave me. And if I did try and leave him, he would start crying. And it was just a big mess. So I was like busy trying to handle that. And then, what else? I wanted to take pictures of like us three. And Jose was not having it either. I didn't like the way the pictures were coming out. And he was so pissed already. He was like, no, I don't want to take any more pictures. Guys, he was mad. So he just like left upstairs and I was like, fuck, I didn't get my pictures. So yeah, I mean, and then other than that, he was like already like tired, I guess. And he was like, I just want to go home, blah blah blah. You guys know how men are. So yeah, that is basically why I didn't vlog. I like totally forgot, and then plus all of this other side stuff happened. So yeah, I am the worst vlogger ever, guys. So I think I'm just gonna continue the vlog from here on out. Right now me and Leo are watching Trolls 2. This is Leo's favorite movie. Every time he wants to watch it, he'll like drag me or Jose into our bedroom so he could watch it in here. And yeah, let me flip the camera around so you guys can see. This is Leo. He's eating a McChicken, watching Trolls. Leo. Okay, so I'm also gonna give you guys a quick little new room tour. We moved the room around today, so I'm gonna show you guys what we did to it and stuff. So we ended up moving our bed and our like TV stand. We used to have this over on this side, and then the bed used to be over on this side. So we flipped it around. Now our bed is up here against the wall instead of the window. And then I just have my drawer here, Jose's drawer there. I also got these prints off of Shein. It's just a moon with these like marble mountains. And then these are the phases of the moon. I like them. They're super cute. I like the aesthetic of them. And yeah, I just framed them in these, I think they were 17 by 12 poster boards. Something like that. But yeah, those are from Shein. They were like $3 each. And then obviously we moved our TV over here. Leo eating his McChicken, playing with his toys. And then in this corner I just have my school stuff, my purse, Leo's bouncy ball thing. And then over here, my flower, keys. I also bought these storage bins from Target because I really needed a place to put all of my makeup. So in this bottom one, I have some of my palettes, some concealers and lipsticks slash lip like lip glosses that I don't really use as often. So I have them down here. And then up here is the stuff that I use the most. So like my powder, my bronzer, my primer, my contour, all of my lashes, all of my foundations, all of that stuff. My brushes, don't look at them, I need to clean them. And yeah, oh, also I wanted to let you guys know about these candles. These are my favorite candles ever. I don't know if you guys can see them. Let me see. So they're zodiac candles. So this is the Leo candle, that's for Jose. And then this is my candle, the Cancer one, that is mine. And it just has the Cancer constellation, and over here it has the Leo constellation. So I love that. They're just black, and then the constellation and the lettering is gold. And let me tell you guys, they smell so freaking good. They don't smell the same. This one has a different smell than this one, but they like mix together, you know? Like, I don't know. The ones that we picked, they just go well with each other. Kind of like me and Jose or whatever. But yeah, the smell is the best. And they're only $7 at Target, guys. You guys should definitely go check them out. Once again, guys, I'm telling you, I am the worst vlogger ever. I totally forgot to do an outro, so here I am the next morning doing an outro. I hope you guys... Leo! I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!